Good morning, Mama. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. Let's start a brand new day.
What is this?
This is a sandwich.
I like it very much. Yummy in my tummy. May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, please come in.
Thank you, ma'am. I love my class so much. Switch on the light. Open the window, please. I finished my homework. Now want some milk, please. I brushed my teeth, washed my hands and face. Good night, Mama.
Sweet dreams and hugs.
Question 1. What do you say in the morning? Good morning. Good night. Bye-bye. Yes, correct answer is good morning. Question 2. What is the English of yeh kya hai? What are you? What is this? What do you do? Yes, correct answer is what is this? Question 3. What do you say before sleeping? Good night, good day, hello. Yes, correct answer is good night.